Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Just a quick video on variables. Variables, like, it's funny, most people, I don't know why, they would say for I equals 1 to 100. Well, I is a variable. And if you put in for I, say line 10, for I equals 1 to 100, colon, next I, it means the computer will count to 100. That's it. That's all. That is a numeric variable. And these things are often used, these little loops like this, are used just to give somebody a chance to read something um, or slow down the printing of something. It can be very short, they can be very long, but that is a numeric variable. One letter. Could be A, B, C, D. It could be for A equals 1 to 100, colon, next A. Whatever. But it's a way to keep track of things and count things, and they can be used for all kinds of things in programs. Oftentimes when somebody you put in an input and they're asking for a number, it will be stored as some variable like A, B, C, or I think it can be 2 letters. Ooh. Anyway, variables are important because if there's one thing you can always count on to be consistent, it's variables. Bye for now.